Did everybody walk through today's video? Today's video, I got this Poison Spyder LED license plate and third brake light, and I'm going to replace the existing one on. This one here is burnt out, no longer working. Plus it's not wired properly because it's wired for brake lamp only, not for the license plate light. So I'm gonna have to tie into that, which I'm gonna tie into the lighting system right there. So let's have a look at this. So this is a kit right here. Gonna have to do some modifications to it. Poison Spyder LED license plate and third brake light. Very simple hookup. Red is brake light, black is ground, green is license plate. Clearly marked at the end of the lines here.
Now, there was an existing wiring harness from another system, but I didn't like the way all that wire was coiled up in the back. And I'm not sure why there was two Deutsch style connectors in the back on the same wire, so I decided to gut it all out and trash it.
Look at that done. Solid. Now there's many different ways that you can mount it due to my setup that I got with this little bracket. I'm putting my license plate right there, held on by a couple of 3/16 rivets, so it's on there nice and solid. And then my wire is gonna run to the back there.
Now this is where the fun part begins. The tailgate was set up for the third brake lamp, but didn't have a power wire to run for the license plate lamp. So in order to do this, I need to get into where the tail light is, run a new wire, which was a lot of work to remove that speaker housing, run it through. Then I have a tailgate table there I have to remove. So I pulled that all out, traced my wires through, running it all around. So this way I could set it up and get it wired up properly to make it legal.
Wire loom there. Wire coming up through there.
So now I'm just using the power probe to test to make sure I'm going to plug into the right wire.
So what I want to do is turn the ignition on first. And then put the signal light on. I don't hear no beeping, so it's not connected. So if I go to the lights now, whoops, that wasn't them.
Come to the back and verify that there is indeed pretty much 12 volts there, so we're good to go. So I just cut the wire, spliced into it, gonna solder it, and then join it together. Now with having all three wires up there, it's time to solder them together and then double check everything and hope it all works.
So just a refresher, red is brake light, black was ground, and then green's gonna go to the license plate, which I could have probably just used the green wire, but I'm gonna tap into the brown one. Last wire. And then we can see how well it's gonna work. So now, should just have to plug that in. So now theoretically, if I go back inside the Jeep, put my lights to on, I should have tail light. Oh yeah, we're lit. We're lit up.
In case you're wondering why in the video why there was an extra light, I hooked up a reverse light while I had the tail light out. Make it a little bit better, but there it is, all set up. Wait till it's dark, gonna try it out. There's a license plate light. I think it turned out good. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next video.